how to transfer a specific video to Dropbox on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to transfer specific video to Dropbox on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and then just click settings, and now go down until you find transfer copy of your information, and then click next. Here you will find Dropbox. Click on it and click specific video. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.